Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out to all the supporters and subscribers of this channel, especially to my students and their parents. Mega love shout out sa inyong lahat dyan. And thank you to all. Please support my channel members, um, Teacher Fit Channel, Elma Abayan, and uh, Arlita Garden. Guys, support naman dyan, guys. And also to my super chatters, Mellow Touch, and Chubby Peggy. Thank you sa inyong mga kapatid. And kayo dyan, I inviting you, ang advocacy ng channel na to. Like ko po in-explain sa inyo. Marami po kayong matutulungan. Tulungan niyo po ako sa aking advocacy. And if you are new to my channel, please one, subscribe. Two, like. Share. Ring the bell buttons. Three, like. Leave a comment. Subscribe. 4, subscribe. Alright. We have our lesson for today is division of a polynomial by a monomial. From the most essential learning competency, we have divide polynomials. Okay, objectives, divide monomials and binomials, and divide polynomials with more than 3 terms. Okay, what is division? Division is defined as the inverse of multiplication. An indicated division such as 15 over 20 is known as a fraction. You have learned in arithmetic that 15 over 20 can be reduced to lowest terms by dividing both numerator and denominator by 5. So 15 over 20, okay, so divided by 5 over 5 is 3/4. Actually, what was done here is to factor 15 and 20 and make sure use of the multiplication property of 1. So the factors of 15 are 3 and 5, and the factors of 20 are 4 and 5. So then we cancel 5. That's why we got 3/4. We can apply this in simplifying algebraic expression. What are write the pairs of factors of the following numbers? Okay, so for example, okay, let's review first. Yung factors ng 16. So, if you are going to list it down, so we have 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. Why? 1 times 16 is 16. 2 times 8 is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. Okay, get it? Next. Or, pwede ring ganito ang pagsulat, no? Pwedeng 2, yung prime factorization, 2, 2, 2. Prime factorization naman ang tawag dyan sa ganyan. So, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So, 4, 8, 16. So, 16. So, we just multiply. Okay, next, we have here 21. So, 21 yan ay 7 times 3. Or, we will not use the, the x So, pwede natin gamitin yung close and open parenthesis or yung dot, no? So, 4, 8 times 7, or pwede ring 1, 3, 7, and 21. Yan. Now, it's listing methods. Okay, so 25, we have 5 times 5, or yan. So, actually, yan lang yung dalawa na pinaka-prime na nilang sagot, no? Tama na yan. Pinaka-prime na nilang sagot yan. What about 38? So, 38, pwedeng 2 times 9. Tama ba? 2 times 9 equals 18. 38. Okay. So, pag hindi kayo sigurado, use that factor 3 ganito. No? So, 38. Okay. 2 times, okay, 38 divided by 2. 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 1. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 2 times 19. So, yan. Yan. Ano na agad yan? And then, what about 42? So, pwedeng 2 times 21. Tama ba? Kasi 21 times 2 is 42. And then, okay, so pwedeng gumamit ang malaking dot or pwedeng 6 times 7. Because 6 times 7 is 42. Okay, gets? Next. Write the following fractions in simplest form. So, ito, no, katulad nito, yung 16, okay, 16 over 20. So, if we are going to get the GCF, so ito yung dalawang factors niya, 8 times 2 sa 16. And then, sa prime factorization, 2 times 2 times 2. Yung 20 naman, 10 times 2 or 5 times 2 times 2. So, cancel natin to. Ano natira? 2/4. So, ibig sabihin yan, pag kinuha natin yung GCF niya is 2 times to 4. Okay, divide natin pareho sa 4. The greatest common factor is 4, no? Okay, so 4 over 5. 4/5 is the final answer. What about 7? So, ang factors ng 7 is 7 times 1. So, pwede natin siya i-divide sa pareho sa 7. Divided by 7 over 7. So, we have 1 over 2. 1 half, no? What about 10? So, syempre, ang kanyang GCF is 10, no? 10 divided by 10 equals 1. And 30 divided by 10 is 3. Okay? Next. So, division of a polynomial by a monomial. So, how are we going to do that? To divide a polynomial by a monomial, we divide each term of the polynomial by the monomial. The quotient rule of exponents is used to simplify the powers and the numerical coefficients are divided. So, the cancellation property for division is used to simplify computation. The cancellation property is is a over a, which is equals to 1, where a is any number except 0. Okay, for examples, find the quotient when 16x cubed plus 24x squared is divided by 4x squared. So, for our solution, okay, here, divide each term of the denominator. So, 16x cubed over 4x squared plus 24x squared over 4x squared. So, we have 4x cubed minus 2, 3 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2. So, we have 4x plus 6x to 0. So, the final answer is ito, no? Okay? Okay, alright. To check, multiply its term of the quotient by the divisor. If the product obtained is equal to the dividend, then your quotient is correct. Okay, so example number 2, 12x squared plus 8x over 4x. So, okay, so we need to factor out all or i-expand natin, no? So, the factors of 12x squared is 3 times 4 times x over 4x plus the factors of 8x is 2 times 4 times x. Okay, so ano gagawin natin dyan? Cancel lang natin to. Okay, yan. Then this one, x. Okay, 4. That's why we have 3 times x, 3x plus 4. So, yan yung final answer. Okay? So, always remember cancellation property for division is a over a is equals to 1, where a is any number except 0. Okay, so here, example number 3, 2x cubed plus x squared y minus 7x squared over x squared. Using the law 2 or the second law of exponent, we have a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equals to a m minus n, or ganito ang pagkasulat niyan, over a raised to n, that is equals to a m minus n. Okay, always remember guys, sa division, we subtract the exponent. So we have here 2x raised to 5 minus 2 plus x cubed, x cubed minus 2, na? Okay, nakalimutan, over times x, and then minus 7x squared minus 2y cubed. Alright, so that means may y cubed dito kasama. Hindi na isulat, na? Okay, so we have 5 minus 2 is 2x cubed plus xy, kasi 3 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, then minus, so cancel na ito. Okay, so that's why we got this final answer. Okay, so more examples. Divide its polynomial by the given monomial. So here we have 4x squared over 2 plus 4 over 2. So we have 2 times 2 times x over 2 plus 2 times 2 over 2. So we have 1. So we have 2x squared plus, so cancel natin to, 2. Ayan po yung final answer. Next. Number 2. We have 2a times a over 2 over a plus, okay, so minus pala. Minus 2 times 2 times a over a plus 6 over a equals, so cancel ito, we have 2a minus 4 plus 6 over a, no, this is 6, alright, 6a over a. Next, number 3, we have 3x squared over 3x. So, guys, mas madali, isa-isahin nyo, no? Plus 3x cubed y over 3x minus 9x4 over 3x. So, we have x na lang natira. Then, ito, we have x squared. And then, 3 divided by 3 is 3. 3x cubed. So, final answer natin, x plus x squared y minus 3x cubed. Alright. Next, number 2. 2y cubed over y plus 7y squared over y minus 3y over y. Okay, so cancel natin to. Isang y na lang natira. Ito. Ay, cube pala to. So, dalawa pang natira, no? Ito square. So, meron pang isang natira. Ito, wala na. So, we have 2. Ano ba to? Biglang lumaki. 2 y square plus 7y minus 3. Okay, so yan yung final answer. Next number. Okay, so we have negative, wait, negative 5x cubed over 5x cubed y minus 15. Okay, plus, gawin natin plus kasi. So we have x to the fourth y over 5x cubed y cubed plus, okay, or minus 35. So, minus kasi magkaiba na sila ng sign. Minus 35 x cubed y 5 over 5x cubed y cubed. Okay, so we have cancel. Ang natira na lang ay 1 over y. So, negative 1 over y plus 15 divided by 5 is 3 x over y square minus 7, cancel na yung x, y over y square. Ayan. So, 5 minus 3 is 2. So, yan yung final answer. Alright? So, for questions and clarifications, just write it at the comment section. Remember, gratitude is the best attitude. Okay, 1. Subscribe. 2. like, share. Don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notification. 3. Like. Leave a comment. Subscribe. 4. Subscribe. Okay, bye-bye. Teacher Marife. See you again. God bless you all.